Ikaw ba ay isang contractor, entrepreneur, o nagpapatayo ng iyong dream house? At naghahanap ng trusted and reliable wood supplier online? Sagot ka namin, Wood Partner! Meet Nuñez Contawe Wood Trading, your trustworthy, reliable wood supplier and your partner in crafting dreams into reality. Our wide range of customers are contractors, homeowners, retailers, furniture makers, woodworkers, manufacturing companies, and a lot more. We don't want you to be one of the victims of fly-by-night wood seller online. We supply wood materials that fits your needs such as pine wood or Palochina, good lumber, plywood, wooden pallet. Don't settle for less when it comes to purchasing your wood supply needs. We do transactions online because we value your effort, money, and time. We can deliver across Central Luzon to South Luzon. Nuñez Contawe Wood Trading, your trusted quality wood supplier. Contact us now.